Happy Sunday mga mi. It's a rest day and believe me, ngayon lang ako nakatapos sa kabangon, no? After nung workout ko kanina, nakatulog ang gay. Bagsak, nakagising na ako mga alas 5. Ayun, wala na din. Nagmadali na ako. Nag-ayos ako ng gamit. Nag-ayos ako ng yung mga pasalubong ko sa aking mga friends. Ay, kasi kikita ko sila tonight. Nagani pang Japan last yung iba, mga mi, no? Tapos, we're gonna have dinner today. Okay? Japanese dinner and matcha. Okay, so yung napanood nyo before na yung matcha na nag-ceremonial matcha ko outside, yun yung pupuntahan natin. So it's a Japanese restaurant with the matcha cafe inside. It's in Edoya. Ayan, it's in Edoya in Trina Roses. So I'll see you guys. Let's come on, join us guys. Dali ko kayo doon, dali. Driver's on the way. Let's go. Tapos yung bag ko for today. Ang cute, diba? Nandito na yung power bank ko, nandito na yung cards ko, my wallet, my key, and my lippy. Exciting. Kasya pa phone ko dito. Ginagamit ito pa travel ako. Dito ko lalagay yung passport ko. Ganon. Oh my gosh, that was really good. We're gonna have matcha ceremony. Oh my gosh, super exciting. Hello. Ayan na mga matcha girlies. Let's go, tita time. Okay, game. Una is you open your cup. Yes, and then you pour the milk. You pour the milk. Okay. And then, there, you put it here. And then you pour your matcha powder dito sa ating whisk cup. Huwag ka magtira, day. After niyan, half of this, you pour it. Actually, ganyan lang muna. Konti lang, yan. And then hanggang sa maging paste. Ikutin mo lang hanggang sa maging paste. Paste muna, paste. Ayan, hanggang sa maging paste siya. Ayan. Okay, kukuha nyo na. Nape-paste, nagiging paste-like na siya.
Yeah. Napadami yung water ko, so more than.
And then, you pour everything. And then, M position lang. Pero wag mo siyang patamain sa ilalim ng bowl. Ganyan lang. Relax ka lang, ganyan, oh.
Saan pwede tayo mag-get sa travel?
Oo. Ganyan lang, mga 40 seconds.
Wala ka lang ng history.
Pa-letter M. Left to right. Hanggang mag-foamy. Wag mo isagad yung whisk sa bowl. Paghirapan mo dahil, inumin mo yun eh. Tapos, kung masaya ka na, ayan, patayin mo yung... Nag-foamy na siya. Nag-foamy na siya.
Ganyan lang.
Patingin. Sige, pag ano mo pa, iyakan mo pa. Tapos pag okay ka na, kumburu. Iganon mo muna, gintayin nyo muna hanggang sa mawala na yung bula sa ibabaw. Tapos ilagay nyo sa ano.
Gusto ko magbulo eh.
Tapos, igantuin nyo. Para makita nyo walang buo-buo, te.
Ganito ba to? Yan?
Oo, para makita nyo walang buo-buo. Tapos, i-pour it. Tapos, day, huwag ka mag-ano, day. Ah! Iwan, day. Kailangan meron pa yun, day. Kung gusto nyo i-adjust yung sweetness, pwede nyo dagdagan. Sino, day, that's your, ano, day, your ceremonial ceremony. Yee! Sarap siya, day. Ayan, perfect, day. I'm so happy for you. Nag-graduate ka na, day.
Ano certificate ko?
With flying colors. Honorable mention.
Ayan, bilan mo na lang yung throat.
Day. You like it? Did you enjoy the ceremony? Did you taste your matcha?
Wait lang, hinahalo ko pa yung content.
You taste it, come on. You like it? Yum! Now that is matcha. Matcha wrap. Sabi mo, Day? And just like that, Mami, I'm home. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo ako, guys, sa aking rest day. I make sure like once or twice a week, umaalis ako ng bahay. I am away from the keyboards, from the computer. Kasi, alam mo yun, I want to make sure that I'm balancing my life and I meet with friends. Habang tumatanda, mas lumilit ang circle of friends ko and I consider Sans and rest as one of my small circle din, mga close friends ko. So maraming salamat mga mi. Tomorrow is another day and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!